How smart YouTubers use AI to get more views before everyone else. What if I told you that the biggest advantage on YouTube today isn't a better camera, expensive editing software, or even years of experience? It's AI. But here's the surprising part. Most creators are using AI completely the wrong way. They're asking AI to write scripts. They're asking AI to create thumbnails. They're asking AI to generate titles. And then they wonder why their videos barely get any views. The smartest YouTubers use AI differently. They don't use AI to replace creativity. They use AI to make smarter decisions before they ever hit the record button. Today, I'll show you 7 ways successful creators are using AI to increase their views, improve watch time, and grow faster than ever. If you're serious about YouTube, don't skip the last tip. It could completely change your content strategy. Welcome to AI Profit Lab, where we help creators use AI to grow faster, work smarter, and build profitable online businesses. If that's your goal, subscribe and let's get started. Strategy 1. Let AI find demand before you create. Most creators start with an idea. Successful creators start with demand. Before recording anything, ask AI questions like, what problems are YouTube creators struggle with right now? What questions are people asking every day? What topics are growing in popularity? Instead of creating videos you hope people will watch, create videos people are already searching for. This one habit alone can dramatically improve your chances of getting recommended. Don't chase viral ideas. Find real problems. Solutions always attract viewers. Strategy 2. Use AI to analyze successful videos. Here's something most creators never do. Take a video that already has millions of views. Ask AI, why did this video succeed? Look at the title, the thumbnail, the hook, the pacing, the storytelling, the emotional triggers. The creator didn't get lucky. They followed a formula that worked. AI helps you recognize those patterns much faster. You're not copying. You're learning what audiences respond to. That's how smart creators improve. Strategy 3. Never publish your first title. Your title decides whether people click. Even an amazing video can fail if nobody clicks on it. Instead of writing one title, ask AI to generate 20. Then compare them. Which one creates curiosity? Which one promises a clear result? Which one sounds impossible to ignore? Sometimes changing just a few words can significantly improve your click-through rate. And higher click-through rates usually lead to more impressions from YouTube. Your title earns the click. Your content earns the subscriber. Strategy 4. Build thumbnails that stop the scroll. Most creators ask AI, create a thumbnail. Smart creators ask, what emotion should my thumbnail create? Curiosity? Urgency? Shock? Hope? People don't click because your thumbnail looks beautiful. They click because it creates a question they want answered. Before publishing, ask yourself, would I stop scrolling for this? If the answer isn't an immediate yes, keep improving. Your thumbnail is the advertisement for your video. Treat it like one. Strategy 5. Let AI improve audience retention. Getting viewers is only half the battle. Keeping them is what YouTube rewards. AI can review your script and identify weak openings, slow sections, repeated information, confusing explanations. Ask AI, where would viewers probably stop watching? Then fix those moments before recording. A stronger hook, shorter explanations, unexpected examples. These small improvements often lead to longer watch time. And watch time is one of YouTube's strongest signals. Every second you keep a viewer watching increases your chance of reaching the next viewer. Strategy 6. Turn one video into 10 pieces of content. Successful creators don't create more content. They maximize every piece of content. One long YouTube video can become 5 shorts, Instagram reels, TikTok clips, LinkedIn posts, X posts, Facebook posts, email newsletters, community posts. AI makes repurposing incredibly fast. Instead of starting from zero every day, you're building an entire content ecosystem around one great video. That means more visibility, more traffic, and more subscribers. Strategy 7. Use AI as your YouTube coach. Most creators only check views. Smart creators ask better questions. After every upload, ask AI, why did viewers leave? Which part was strongest? What could improve the next video? What topics should I cover next? Every upload becomes data. Every data point becomes experience. And every lesson makes the next video stronger. The creators who improve every week are the creators who eventually win. The complete AI workflow. Here's the workflow you should follow before every upload. Research audience demand. Study successful videos. Generate multiple title ideas. Brainstorm thumbnail concepts. Strengthen your hook. Review your script for retention. Publish. Analyze the results. Repeat. Notice something? AI never replaced your creativity. It simply helped you make smarter decisions. That's the real advantage. The YouTube algorithm isn't looking for videos made by AI. It's looking for videos that viewers love. AI simply helps you understand what viewers want before you invest hours creating content. The creators who learn this skill today will have a major advantage tomorrow. Because while everyone else is guessing, you'll be creating with data, strategy, and confidence. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to AI Profit Lab. Every week, you'll discover practical AI strategies, YouTube growth systems, and online income ideas that help you grow faster without wasting time. Now I have a question for you. If you could use AI to improve just one part of your YouTube process, what would it be? Titles? Thumbnails? Scripts? Editing? Or finding viral ideas? Leave your answer in the comments. I read every one, and your question might inspire the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on AI Profit Lab.